to go on that cross-country train ride, and I told you guys I was going to take you with me, and God dog it, I did. Your girl was on that train for a total of 62 hours round trip. But I did it. Okay, so if you are just joining me, I am your captain, Jess Valencia, and I want to welcome you aboard. Welcome aboard. I have some cute little things to show you. I'm excited. So guys, look, for my regular Royal Riders, y'all, we're gonna have to, y'all get ready for this live now. Y'all have to hit y'all notification bell, set it to all, because we got a lot to talk about now. I have a lot to show you guys and talk to you guys about, but this video is just going to basically show you like what I've seen from traveling cross country on the train solo during Christmas time, during the worst blizzard in like 43 years. Like, what was I thinking? Anyway, so I'm gonna give you guys like a brief synopsis of what you are about to see. I'm just excited, y'all. I'm excited. It was so beautiful. Okay, so like I said, it's 33 hours one way. I don't know why I decided to do it at this time of year. I did not know the blizzard was gonna come, but it just made it all the better for me. Like, really, it made it all the better. All right, so during this train ride, what you're going to see is a lot of different culture, a lot of different ways of living. Okay, I'm not gonna go too much into every little scene in every little city, because it was a lot. Think about it, guys. I was 63 hours total, and I'm trying to record and catch all of this on my phone. Child, look, at some point, let me just rest, child. Because it was a million little small cities, them little small towns. Those towns, they had like 50 houses, one store, and one little plant. And there was a lot of those little cities. It was a lot. So, you know, after about 20 of them, they all started looking the same. So I did not get everything, but I still got some cute little nuggets for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it, okay? There was a time where, child, look, I was supposed to be back 4 days earlier because of the blizzard. I got stuck there for an extra 4 days, but it was nice. So I just made the best of it. So throughout the video where you can see the scenery, you will also see me just killing time. Me killing time on the train, me killing time on the layovers, you know, where I stayed before I turned around and came back home. You know, it's just me killing time and just being peaceful. It was everything I wanted it to be. When I tell you guys, if you want to do something, if you have something on your heart, you have something in your mind, just go for it. What is stopping you? That's why I'm making this episode 4 of Jess Valencia Just Does It, because Jess Valencia just do what the hell she want to do when she want to do it, as long as it's not hurting nobody. Okay, so this is episode 4 of Jess Valencia Just Does It. Valencia wanted to take a cross-country train ride. I've been saying it forever, so Jess Valencia just did it. And as I always say, I'm taking you guys on this thing called Life Journey with me. And I did. I'm bringing you guys with me. And I hope you guys enjoy it, okay? All right. Keep in mind now, there's a lot that I just had to cut out because I only wanted this video to be like an hour long. So I had to cut a lot of it out. And with that being said, I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. Just sit back, enjoy the scenery, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not a Royal Rider. I need you to hit that like and subscribe button, and then you will officially become a Royal Rider. If you do not hit that like and subscribe button, you are riding in coach, which is okay for now. We want VIP first class over here, okay? So come on, take a look. Come see what I saw during this little trip. It was wonderful. Let's go.
when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah.
And we're off our very first cross-country train ride. We're moving out, all aboard. Let's go. Let's start this party off right. This light pole is still standing. It's over 60 years old, still has the original glass bulbs like they did back then. Hit that like and subscribe button so you don't have to ride coach all the time. Quick update. So I have to be stuck in Jackson, Mississippi for a little while. The other driver is running a little late. That's going to take us all the way up north from Jackson, Mississippi to Chicago, Illinois. So we have to wait for that driver to get here. So just showing you guys, I'm taking you guys on this little journey with me and keeping you guys posted on what's going on. It's okay because you can bring alcohol. They sell alcohol and you can bring alcohol. They sell food and you can bring food. There's plenty of space. There's Wi-Fi. I haven't used the Wi-Fi yet, but there's plenty of power surges and power outlets and spaces if you want to play cards. And I'm liking it so far. So I'm just keeping you guys posted on my journey. Right now I am in Jackson, Mississippi, waiting on another driver to take over this train. But again, they said he's going to make up for the time. So let's see. All right. This man told me he loved my smile and made a song. I love it.
Something about your smile, baby. Everything comes out easy. Something about your smile, baby. It's easy to me to please. I'm in love with the things you do. Love just being next to you. I'm in love with the things that you do. Love with the things about you. Something about your smile.
That is right. That's a new one.
We made several stops through several little towns and several cities, so I just got a couple of them on here. Too many to post. Slayover Union Station. Let's make the best of it.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung.
Okay. Got your shea butter?
Check.
All right. How about your dashiki?
You know it, bro.
And your Hotep manual? Did you bring that?
You know what, King?
Oh man.
It's Kwanzaa, what you gon' do? Spending with my family, chill with the crew. We gon' share gifts, you don't have to spend loot. We celebrate culture, our African roots. This Kwanzaa, what you gon' do? Spending with my family, chill with the crew. We gon' share gifts, you don't have to spend loot. We celebrate culture, our African roots.
On December 26th.
Was so spooky. It's so huge and so dark, and it's right at the tracks. It seems like it should be in a scary movie. It was crazy. You should see it. Oh my goodness, the views I've seen. The views, honey, so beautiful. Okay guys, we go through a lot of small towns. You cannot blink. If you blink, you will miss the town. Did you blink? Boom, you missed it because it's gone. We're out of the town already. Over with. The wind was blowing so hard you could see the bulb inside this steel lantern shaking. You can't really see it, but that's why I got the picture. We're going through another town. Remember, don't blink, don't blink, don't blink. Just watch, watch, watch. Don't blink. And we're out. pretty. Wow! Oh my goodness. Oh, the building was so close, guys. I almost had a heart attack. For some reason, these buildings remind me of the Jeffersons or Good Times. I don't know. But I loved it. The scenery was beautiful. Oh my goodness, again. Why are you so close? Why does the buildings have to be so close to the train tracks? I saw inside them people windows. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Cute little boat. Yard. All nice and protected from the weather. We're just doing a little quick reverse thing. What is this huge building? I'm curious. Be gay, do crime. What? Wait. Yes, I read that right. Be gay, do crime, child. So I was obsessed with this little tree. This tree reminds me so much of myself. When I say obsessed with this tree, look at all the trees around. That is the only tree that's getting the effects of the elements, the wind, the snow. Look around. No other tree in the area has snow on it. No wind is blowing anything. But there's this one tree that stood out. And when I tell you, for some reason, I fell in love with that tree, because no matter what is going on, no matter what's going on around you, everybody else may seem still or may be still, and you're still going through it. That's right. You just stand. Because even though you are alone, you are beautiful. You're standing out. And I'm in love with sunsets and sunrises, guys. So you are going to see a lot of that.
You ain't never afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. You don't need a man, you do it by yourself. You did it by yourself. Well, is you single? With my single ladies, stack your bread and bought your own Mercedes. You your own boss, do it your way. Quick to tell the bro, go away. You ain't never.
Remember the rule, don't blink. And it was at this moment, I knew I was in trouble. Oh yeah. I think I'm in trouble, guys. I think I'm in trouble. Okay, I told you guys I love sunrises and sunsets. This partial rainbow was on side of this sun the whole time. That was just so beautiful to me. Yes, child, negative 19 degrees wind chill. So all of this glitter that's all around the house and the window shills and everywhere, that's actually for the reindeer. They don't just leave cookies out for Santa. They actually leave fairy dust out for the reindeer to eat.
It's you.
Shake that thing, girl. Hey, let me see you shake that thing, girl. Hey, let me see you shake that thing, girl. Put your hands on it, a handstand for me. Turn around, pop it like an ace band for me. Do what you can for me, know how to dance, show me. Speed it up, DSL, broadband for me. Shake that thing, woman, I'm breaking bread, woman. Do what you can, dance, it's your last chance, woman. You got plans, woman, you got a man, woman. What you talking about, the man right here, woman? I'm all about some rubber bands in it. I got them working in the voodoo rubber stands in it. Got them trucking for you, baby girl, you running for some. Bring it up, buzz it up again, trucking for that. 100,000 in your pocket, come on, out of the coop. I'm trying to see you buzz it up and make it do the two. All the mother girls saying they don't work it like you. Now bend it over, work it old girl, you know you the.
Okay, so I want to stop and explore one of these towns. Manila, this is downtown. Wait, is it Manila or Vanilla? Because everything is white. Oh, that's a little plant, y'all. White, 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 white. Nothing, just open white, like, oh. This is their city park. These are actually some fun finds that I found up north. There's a plethora of African American inventions and products in the Walmarts, and I love it. You can never find that in the South. The liquor is actually on the shelves and not locked up behind a cage. Never in the South. So after being stranded there for extra days, the snow is melting.
Yeah, hold on.
I'm free to go home now.
Peter. This you? This you? This you, this you, this you?
Y'all, this is that spooky building again. I saw it again on the way back, and it's still spooky. I was just amazed that people actually live in the middle of nowhere.
I just need some coffee in the morning, no sugar or tea, 'cause I can feel my eyelids falling, they're trying to sleep. But if I take a sip of caffeine, then surely I'll be
I just thought the frozen lakes were cool. I'm just trying to capture some of those little cows up there. It is too cold for those cows to be up there, but I'm trying to catch it. Oh my goodness, see, there they go. That train. Why is the train so close, y'all? Why is another train so close? I wasn't ready. You almost gave me a heart attack. Oh my goodness.
Shake it, baby.
Okay, guys, there are a lot of bald eagles feeding on this frozen lake, river, whatever, Mississippi River. There's a lot of bald eagles, and I was trying to capture it, but I tried to zoom in and I messed some stuff up. I tried to zoom in and end up cutting it off, but hopefully you can see a few of them. Very rare will you see a bald eagle, and to see this many in one place was beautiful. This reminds me of some little western town, like in the movies. Oh my goodness, them and these trains that's so close together, that train is actually moving one at a time, please, one at a time. So the best way I could describe this is like the train's junkyard or something, a repair. There was a lot of broken and out of transit trains there, and pieces and parts and everywhere. I just thought it was interesting that it's just sitting off to the side like that. Again, me and my obsession. I was trying to get the sunrise. I get every sunrise and sunset when I go on cruises, so I just thought from a train it would be beautiful. It usually only takes like 4 minutes, 5 minutes at the most for a sun to come up, so I thought I was going to capture the whole thing. Off to a good start. And boom, another train. That hater. Let's try it again. Beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? I don't know about you guys, but this is beauty to me. Peaceful, calming, relaxing. I love it. As you may know by now, we are back from the north, coming back to the south where it's warm and cozy. And after a 6-hour layover in Chicago, This is some very dense fog. I thought this was a really cool shot as well. It's like the swamplands. We're in the swamplands. We're in the South. And it's just swamps and fog. It kind of reminded me of a good movie or a great book. Though this shot is really cute to me, I was actually trying to catch the crawfish traps that are periodically spread throughout the water. You can't see it, it's going too fast, but they're there. Oh, I spotted some. Y'all see these white dots? Watch. Boom, there they are. Crawfish traps. Y'all saw them. this concludes our cross-country train ride. I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, how did you enjoy the scenery? Guys, we have seen big cities, little small towns. We have seen crawfish traps. We have seen bald eagles. I hope you've seen the cows. It was far off, but I hope you saw the cows. We have saw so much. We saw the countryside. We saw the city side. We saw the hood. We've seen it all. We've seen it all. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. If you want more content like this, and if you would like to go with me when I go on my other little adventures, you hit that like and subscribe button, and you set your notification bell to all, because I do have a lot of new adventures to take you guys on along with me. Okay, I am so excited. I'm so excited, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this train ride. I hope it was everything that you wanted to be or you wish it could be. I'm sorry I could not show you everything. It was just entirely too much. I missed a lot, but then I just got tired at times. But for the most part, it was wonderful. And I want you guys to know, if there is anything you want to do, do not let anything or anyone stop you from doing it. Chase your dreams. Do what makes you happy. Live life, love life, smile, enjoy, keep your head up, stay focused, and stay positive. Live your life. It is not promised to you tomorrow, okay? I want you guys to live, love, and enjoy. Please live, love, and enjoy. Live in peace and harmony, honey, and enjoy your life like I am trying to enjoy mine. But I am still so excited about everything that has been going on, and I'm excited about the future endeavors that I have planned for you guys and have planned for this channel. So again, thank you guys for being with me. If you are not a Royal Rider, which means you did not hit that like and subscribe button, please hit that like and subscribe button. Set your notification bell to all, so when I drop my videos, you can also see my videos, and not just when I go live. I would like to just spread so much love and joy to the world, the universe. You know, keep your energy positive, keep your head up, just always just feel good about yourself and what you're going through. If you're going through something, look, I need you to know that it is going to be okay. Life is going to happen. We cannot stop it from happening, but we can adjust, we can conquer it, we can move on, and we do not let it get us down. We may slumber sometimes, but we do not stay down, okay? We pick ourselves up, we put our crowns on, and we conquer that thing called life, and we live it to the best of our ability. Always stay positive, enjoy life. I'm spreading peace and love to you guys. I hope you guys reciprocate it. And then you just, give it back to me. Show your girl some love. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for traveling with the Royal Riders. I am your captain, Jess Valencia, signing out. I hope you enjoyed, and I thank you and I appreciate each and every last one of you for being here. You are so appreciated. Jess Valencia signing out. Peace.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.